I'm supposed to be headed to the racetrack in 1 day from now. The only problem is the car looks like this, and that's because the engine currently looks like this. I'm going to show you how to build an 8-second street car in less than 24 hours. Let's go. At this point, it probably bears mentioning, why am I building a brand new engine 24 hours before I'm supposed to be at the racetrack? Well, the truth is,
Are you out of fuel?
no.
You need a push?
Yeah, that doesn't sound good. And it wasn't good. In fact, it was pretty bad. I disassembled the engine to reveal the full extent of the damage, and it was extensive. I mean, this thing was torn up. You can see complete destruction of the crankshaft main bearings and of the cam bearings. So I performed a root cause failure analysis, but I'll share those findings another time. For now, the cam, crank, and block would all need replacement. Fortunately, I was already prepared with a spare crank and block, so there was still a chance to make this weekend's track day. But there would be no way to replace this custom camshaft in time. So I went to see my friends Rick and Carl at R&R Engine Rebuilding and see what they had to say.
We're in. You can probably see the crack already started.
Oh yeah. Oh boy.
Okay, so that one.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. She's done.
Oh, you can run it. Took off a valve.
With that vote of confidence, it was back to the shop. Let's try and get this thing together. I think we can do it. I've got to get a new block prepped, get the engine built, in the car, on the trailer, to the track. Let's go. First fire up with all systems nominal is always a uniquely gratifying feeling. This pile of parts was now a semi-autonomous operational mechanical system, and it was ready for the racetrack. like some of my other movies, check them out on my channel. Thanks.